Hello! Today I start my YouTube channel and I want to share with you 10 rules and mistakes I needed to know when I started to draw. This isn't just theory. Using them, I transformed my art from that to that. And rule number one is to start simple. I always thought that my first drawing would be impressive, but my hands, they weren't ready. It wasn't trained for clean lines or good shapes. That expectation almost killed my motivation. Don't start with a portrait, start with a line, then a circle, then a cube. Master the alphabet before you try to write the novel. This simplicity is your superpower in the beginning. Rule number two, find a system. My random drawing practice proved that practice without a plan is just useless. The single best investment in my art was discovering a structured approach like the classic Russian school. You start with simple lines and a basic cube like that. It's a cube. Then you build a vase, a school, a portrait, but in the beginning you study обрубовка, обрубок, which how we call it in Russian, a full figure. You study perspective of any object. It's really, really important. Every object is made of simple shape. Finding a professional to be your art coach is a way to save years of ineffective learning. It is the fastest shortcut to freedom in drawing. I am incredibly grateful to my dear teacher who is Andrei Samarin in the picture. So, rule number 5, love the process, share your journey. Fall in love with the process itself. Find joy in the thought on the pencil, in the challenge of shading the cube. If you only strive for masterpieces, you will totally burn out. Don't worry about perfection. It will get better step by step. It will get better step by step. Rule number 6, use the references anytime. It's not cheating, it's learning from the best. In the beginning, we all need a compass. Photos, great art, references, the world around us, they are all visual textbooks. They show you how light, form, and composition actually work. Extremely important. Rule number 7, take it offline. Draw from real life. After references, draw this. A real object teaches your brain to translate 3D object, 3D form onto a 2D page like nothing else. It is the essential dream for your artistic vision. It's very important. Rule 7, mistakes are okay. Like your mistake. Any wobbly line, every odd proportion on your journey from cube to portrait, it's not bad art. It's only your brain learning. I have a whole library of these mistakes, of these data pages. They are my most prized possessions because they mark where I learned the most and they show me the process of drawing too. Rule number 9, build a traditional foundation. Start traditional. Build this entire system with a simple pencil on paper. This physical connection forces you to understand the core principles: pressure, line, form. A strong traditional foundation like Russian approach or something else makes you unstoppable and in any digital art. For example, I incredibly like Procreate and I joined Procreate 4. Rule number, I don't, to be honest, I don't remember number. Maybe it is number 9. Explorer. Be an explorer. Be an explorer. Study art history. Look at the masters, classical, modern, digital. Artists like Surikov, Shishkin, who are traditional. Don't just copy. Ask, why does this move me? How did they solve this problem? This expands your visual library and shows you what's possible. It fools your own system, and I think that's beautiful. And rule number 11, practice smart. So, rule number 9, practice smart. Uh, and never ever stop. Don't just draw randomly. Practice with intention. Today I master ice or light on the sphere. And remember, the first time, the first month, it won't be fine. It's okay. Don't worry. It will get better day by day, line by line. But the single most important thing, do not stop. Every artist was once a beginner. I'm beginner. I'm a student. And every artist was once a beginner who didn't quite. See you in the next video.